Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about shoes, which I know is unusual. We don't really, on my channel I always talk about handbags, not really shoes, but this time I went kind of crazy a little bit and I ordered like 5 pairs of shoes all at once because they're on sale and it's just good price. So I thought I would come on here and show it to you guys because these are really nice and they're on sale. So I think they're good price. So if you are wanting to have shoes or want to just like shop, then this might be like good suggestions. So I've got 3 from Michael Kors and I've got 2 from UGGs, and they're all from Macy's. I love Macy's. I think you guys know that by now because I shop there a lot. I ordered like another Michael Kors bag from Macy's too. So I gave Macy's a lot of business recently. But obviously it's not sponsored by them or anything like that. Nobody sponsors me yet, but let's just talk about shoes. I'm talking a lot about other stuff, but I have 5 shoes to show you. They're all kind of different. I have booties, I have like boots, I have rain boots, so many different things to show you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of video, and without further ado, let me just get on to the very first shoes that I want to show you. So the first one is Michael Kors. It's huge. The box is murdered, I think. Where is it? There it is. The box is murdered, but that's okay. The shoes are fine. So here is our first one. And I'll try all of these for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like and how I style them and stuff like that. But here's the first one. These are the boots. They are suede material. It's got a little MK there. That's what it looks like, and these are over the knee boots, and as you can tell, I have not really worn them at all. They do catch on to dirt a bit, not too much, but I think if you use roller on it, it's really not too bad. It just cleans up right away. And I think these are more like a fashion boots. They're not really that warm, but it looks really nice on like a skirt or dress, or even sometimes with tights or leggings or something. I think they are really nice. Here is the other shoe, very, very similar. And one of the great things I really like about this shoe is that the top is like top, and then the side is kind of like sitting down. So it's just more comfortable on the back, like on your feet when you're sitting down, when your thighs are folded. It's just easier. And yeah, it's just all in all, I think it's good. It's got some heels, but not too much, so it is comfortable. And in case you guys are wondering, I went with size 11. So my normal size is actually 10. I know, big, right? I have big feet and big hands, but normally my size is 10, but I went with 11 for this one because I feel like with Michael Kors, I'm really size 11, and if I have a little bit of a bigger shoe, then it just allows me to wear thicker socks. Like if it's really cold or something, if I want to wear thicker socks, it's just easier. So that's why I got one size big, but it's not really loose or anything. It just fits perfectly. And yeah, all in all, I think this one is my most favorite shoe out of all the ones. Next up, we have Michael Kors booties, and these are just like this. So these are not suede material. I think these are leather. I don't know. I'll leave links to all the shoes that I'm going to talk about down below so you can directly click on it and shop. But that's what the booties look like. It's got this little canvas strip over here with MK on it. And then on the inside, it's got zipper. So it's pretty. It's nice. It's black. You can't really go wrong with black. I know I got 2 black shoes, but in fact a lot of these are black actually, now that I think about it. But these are different styles, so I really don't mind, and it just looks really nice on. I think I will try it on and show it to you. But yeah, these are the second type. Once again, similar kind of heels on it, not too much but not too little either. Very, very comfortable. Once again, I went with size 11 just so that I could wear thicker socks underneath if I want to. But that's basically my second shoe, and I think I didn't show you the bottom. But here's the bottom. There's sticker and stuff already. As you can see, I have not really worn it, so I can't really comment on the comfortableness of the shoe yet. But yeah, I really like it. I think aesthetically it looks pretty, and it's nice. Good price too. Oh, and these ones are about, I think, $80, and so were the other ones. And I know it's not cheap shoe, like $80 is still quite a bit of money, but compared to like other Michael Kors shoes, it's just, I think it's a good deal, you know. Moving on to the next shoe. So this one is also my Kors, and this one is the last Michael Kors shoe, I promise. So these are rain boots, and once again, we are on to black. Sorry for the paper noise. My mic is very close to the box, so you might hear a lot of papers. I'm really sorry. I'm trying to figure out another way to do this, but basically this is the third shoe. These are rain booties and very, very shiny. I really like it. This one here, it has like some, I don't know how to, like fuzzies on it. I don't know, it's just weird. This one has some fuzzies, and then this one came with like a little scratch in the front. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a little scratch in the front. So I will be exchanging this one, but I still want to show you because these look so good. This one, unfortunately, I couldn't get size 11. I had to go with size 10, but they're still pretty good. I think they look nice, and I got this one mainly because I don't really have anything shiny like this. I mean, yeah, like other rain boots you can get and they'll be shiny like this, but then these are fancy and shiny and rain boots. So it's like all in one. Really, really good deal. These are like 44 bucks, so you can't really go wrong with them, really. Like, it's Michael Kors and 44 bucks, so it's a really good deal. I really do like them, and I haven't really worn them at all. Here's the bottom. You guys can tell I haven't really worn them. They look pretty brand new. And this one I can't wear anyways because I will be exchanging it because of the little fuzzies here. I guess I could clean it off. I did try to clean it off, but I don't know. I guess I'll just exchange, you know, especially because I haven't worn them. They still have the sizes available, so why not? So we are now done with Michael Kors, and I want to show you Uggs now. So I have two Uggs shoes here, and this one is also rain booties. I'll show you. These are a little bit different than the Michael Kors ones. That's what these look like. So they actually look like actual rain booties. And I have never really owned like a rain shoe before. This is first of its kind, so I'm still kind of new to it. These are definitely heavier than all the other shoes. So like when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, these are actually heavier than usual. And then on the inside, that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it looks like inside. So at the bottom, there's like the Uggs kind of feel all the way at the bottom, but like the sides are like this. Let me show you here. So that's how the sides are, but like all the way down is like the Uggs fuzzy kind of feel. There's a subtle logo over here. Well, not that subtle, but it's there on the side. Nothing in the back or anything. And then very similar kind of height or heels, just like the other ones. And yeah, this one I also went with size 11. Once again, same kind of concept if I want to wear like a thicker socks or something, and especially because for us it does have fuzzies at the bottom, so it does take up some space, so I wanted to go with a size bigger. And as far as the price is concerned, I think this one was about $50, $49, $50, something like that. And if you like this one too, I'll leave a link to it in the description box down below, so check it out. Last but not the least are these Uggs sandals, I want to say. I don't even know the exact name of these, honestly. And I got these because I wanted to have something that I can like travel with, so I can wear it in the like on the plane because it's always so cold. I'm always so cold on the plane, so I thought I could wear this. It's cute. You can take it off really easily. You can put it back on. If you wear it with socks, it's good. So I got these, and they're nice. I mean, they fit nicely. I got a size 10. And I intend to obviously wear it with socks, but even without socks, it's nice. It's very warm, and it's a good shoe. I wish the size of the heels was a little less. I would have been happy if it was like that, but it's fine. It's Uggs, you know. And this one comes in so many colors, like tons and tons of colors, and some of the colors are sold out. Some of the colors are still available. And yeah, it's just very, very colorful. I wanted to initially go with the black color, but I think the black color in my size was all sold out, so I couldn't get it. And then I think the way this shoe is, like, it's just so bulky. I felt like if I went with size 11, it would look huge on me. So I just got size 10. And here is the bottom, kind of like typical UGGs bottom, very similar to that. And I haven't worn this one either, so I can't really tell how comfortable it is. For the short amount of time that I try it on, it does look very comfortable, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, that was basically my shoe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's kind of different than what I usually do, but I thought I'd give it a try. You know, I don't really, I mean, I hate shoe shopping, first of all. I don't think I've shared it with you guys, but I hate shoe shopping because I have huge feet. I'm size 10, and I can rarely ever find my sizes, especially on sale, because it's just very, like, though they don't make a lot of 10s, 9, 10s, and 11s, and the ones they make, they get sold out so fast. So I rarely find my size, and that's why I hate shoe shopping. But this time I found my sizes, and I'm really happy with these, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big, big thumbs up. Support my channel, encourage my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. But that really does it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big, big thumbs up. I think I said that. Anyways, subscribe, like this video. See you next time. Bye.